that far. Right, that's that bit done. Wow. Well, the packaging is unreal. That's what I've been looking forward to. Look at that. Okay, how do I get into this? You sort of don't want to use any blades right next to it because you don't want to damage anything. Oh wow. Okay, let's get this thing open. Oh my life. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, they've done a good job of that. Okay. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby. Oh, that's better than the other one. That's finished better than the other one. This is Babinga. There's a little bit of rough grain there. Nothing that can't be sorted. That's bronze, and this is bronze, and all the frog's bronze, and this is bronze. Everything's... Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, it's not finished brilliantly here, but that can be sorted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's not bad at all.